This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Luigi Collage. Beautiful updated on oversized fenced-in lot. High ceilings and open floor plan. Modern updates include kitchen with quartz countertops, large island, breakfast bar and newer stainless steel appliances. Opens to a huge great room with skylights and doors leading to a nice size screened-in lanai and an open patio, great for entertaining. New flooring throughout. New modern light fixtures and ceiling fans, freshly painted interior and exterior. Large master suite with a walk-in closet and sliding doors leading to screened-in lanai to enjoy your morning coffee. Luxurious master bath has been beautifully updated with new granite countertops, new sinks, soaking tub and large walk-in shower. Additional second bedroom also with walk-in closet. Gorgeous second bath newly updated with granite countertops, new vanity and large walk-in fieldstone enclosed shower. Inside laundry room. Great location, near A-rated Southern Elementary School. Front yard is irrigated by well water close to shopping, restaurants and parks, just minutes to Honeymoon Beach / Caladesi Island, downtown Dunedin, Howard Park and Tarpon Springs. 20 to 25 minutes to Clearwater Beach, 25 to 30 minutes to Tampa St Pete Airports. No deed restrictions, bring your boat or RV. Plenty room in backyard through existing gate. For more information, review the